Hello and welcome to all new and existing members of the Needle Felting We Do Not Care Club. This club was created for all needle felters addicted to the craft and to let the world know that we simply do not care. Let's start with announcements. We do not care that we have needle felting wool in our office, spare room, garage and shed. We need all that wool. We are prepared. We do not care that we have made 50 mushrooms and they are all in our house. We will make another one. We do not care that it is dinner time and we are still felting. You know where the kitchen is. We do not care that it is 2 p.m. and we are still in our pyjamas. We are in our creative flow. We cannot stop. We do not care that we already have 10 needle felting colours in green wool. We do not have that green. We are going to buy it. We do not care that our needle is blunt and bent. We will continue to use it to the end. We do not care that we have 25 needle felting books and have not made anything from them. We need them all. They are cute. We do not care that we stayed up late and purchased things at 1 a.m. for our craft. It will be a surprise when they arrive. We do not care that we wear leggings all day, every day. We need to be comfortable for our craft. We do not care that you think our needle felted hair looks like a chicken. We know what we made. We do not care that the guest room is so full of wool you cannot see the bed. We don't want no guests. We do not care that we bought 50 bags of tops wool in the teeniest amounts when we first started. We had to have those colours. They are gorgeous. We do not care that there are 15 different types of needles for different things. We will use our favourite. It works fine. We do not care that our hands hurt and ache and we should stop. We have not finished yet. We do not care that it is 5 p.m. and we are angry and stressed. We have not felted yet. Do not talk to us. We do not care if that is the 5th Amazon parcel to arrive today for our craft. We need it all. We do not care that we would rather needle felt than socialise. That is a you problem. We do not care that the house hasn't been hoovered and the washing is not done. Our Highland cow looks fantastic. We do not care that we bought 1 kilogram of core wool and didn't realise how big this was. We will use it all over the next 35 years. We do not care that we have made 10 identical sheep and each one looks very different. We know what we were aiming for. We do not care that we cannot find the end of the needle that snapped off. We have looked all day. We will live life on the edge knowing it is out there. We do not care that this 1 inch by 1 inch creation took all day to make. We will probably make the same tomorrow. We do not care that you want to go out and experience the world. We want to stay home and needle felt. Enjoy. That is the end of the announcements for the Needle Felting We Do Not Care Club. If you have any of your own, please put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. So on a more serious note, that was 100% inspired by Melanie Sanders from the We Do Not Care Club for menopausal and perimenopausal women. It's a bit of a movement that's going around. It's gone quite viral. She is absolutely fantastic. I will put a link to her down below and I'm going to put a clip of her at the end. She's also produced a little handbook and she is absolutely hilarious. And now I have seen the We Do Not Cares going on all over the place in all different crafts and all different areas of the world. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please put your own anything that you do not care about down below because it is so funny to read all the comments that people have put about these things. So thank you for watching and we'll see you again soon. Take care.